Imagine you're cruising down the highway or just trying to pull out of your driveway, and suddenly your car feels like it is stuck in limbo, refusing to shift into neutral. Or maybe the check engine light pops on with the code P073D. It is a sinking feeling, right? This code specifically means your car is unable to engage neutral. And while it sounds like a very specific mechanical jam, it is actually a generic powertrain code that can pop up in anything from a Volkswagen or Audi to a Ford or Nissan. Basically, your car's brain, the engine control module, has realized that the transmission is not listening when it is told to go into neutral. Now, before you panic, you need to know that this is considered a moderately high severity issue. You might be able to limp the car home, but honestly, if you ignore this, you could turn a few $100s in repairs into a bill for thousands, because automatic transmissions are incredibly intricate and expensive pieces of machinery. You are likely feeling symptoms like sluggish acceleration, the engine revving high but the car barely moving, or maybe even hearing some clunking noises that definitely do not belong there. So where do we start? First, do not tear the transmission apart yet. We start with the lifeblood of the system, the automatic transmission fluid, or ATF. Pop the hood, find the dipstick if your car has one, and check that fluid level while the engine is running and warm. Is it low? Is it dark and smelling like burnt toast? If you have never changed this fluid, now might be the time, because dirty fluid can clog the hydraulic passages and cause exactly this kind of headache. If the fluid looks good, look for leaks underneath. Red puddles on your driveway are a dead giveaway. If that is clear, we move to the electronic. The transmission control module, or TCM, is the computer running the show. Check its physical condition. Is the connector corroded? Are there signs of water damage? A little bit of green corrosion on a pin can completely kill the signal. If you have a scan tool, you can try to monitor the gear position live to see if the computer is even seeing the command. It's all about ruling out the cheap and easy stuff like fluids and loose wires before you assume the transmission itself is toast.